About the rice, begin by rinsing 3 cups of white basmati rice under cold running water. Gently move the rice around with your hand to help remove excess starch. Continue rinsing until the water runs clear and add 1 tablespoon of salt. Then let it soak for 30 minutes. This soaking process helps to soften the grains and improve their texture during cooking. Grate 1 medium-sized onion and squeeze it to remove excess juice. In a mixing bowl, combine the grated onion with 500 grams of ground beef. Season the mixture with 1 teaspoon of ground coriander seeds along with salt and pepper to taste. Use your hands to mix the ingredients until they are evenly combined. Let the meatball mixture to rest in the fridge for 30 minutes. This helps the flavors meld and makes the mixture easier to handle. After resting, wet your hands with water to prevent sticking. Then divide the mixture and shape it into meatballs about the size of walnuts. And believe me, it's not difficult to shape the meatballs. It's one of the easiest things to do. Just like that. Perfect. Place a non-stick pan over medium heat. Add 2-3 tablespoons of vegetable oil. Once the oil is hot, add the meatballs and cover the pan with a lid. And cook for about 2-3 minutes on each side or until brown on all sides, flipping occasionally until they are done. Total cooking time will depending on the size of your meatballs. These meatballs are ready and look big and juicy. Let me show you what's inside. They are hot and fresh and I just cut one in half. So good. Heat the oil in a pan. Add half a cup of raisins and saute for 2 minutes. Add 3 tablespoons silver pistachios, 5 tablespoons freshly chopped coriander leaves, and 1 cup of pomegranate seeds. Keep stirring for 3 minutes. Add 1 teaspoon ground coriander seeds, salt and pepper to taste, and remove from the heat and set aside. Alright, let's get started on making the rice. Fill the pot with 9 cups of water. You can find details about the water to rice ratio in the description box. Bring the water to a boil over high heat. Once the water comes to a rolling boil, drain the rice and add it to the boiled water, stirring the rice a couple of times very gently with a spoon to make sure the grains are not clumping together. After 8 to 10 minutes, empty the rice into a strainer, rinse it under cold water to stop the cooking process. Heat the oil over medium heat and carefully cover the bottom of the pot with a single layer of lavash or tortilla bread. Gently transfer half of the parboiled rice to the pot, ensuring it covers the bread evenly. Sprinkle half of the pomegranate mixture over the rice, and then distribute half of the meatballs across the layer. And drizzle some saffron water over this first layer. Then repeat the entire layering process and dot the top with a few pieces of butter. And finally, cover the pot with a tight-fitting lid. Steam the pomegranate rice over medium-low heat for 45 minutes or until steam rises and the delicious tahdig turns golden brown. Serve this delightful pomegranate rice, or as we call it in Farsi, Anar Polow, on a large plate on its own. It looks just fantastic. And after serving On a plate, you can garnish the rice with freshly chopped coriander leaves and pomegranate seeds. It looks more elegant when served. And just look at this wonderful golden and crispy tahdig. Arrange the tahdig over the rice and just perfect. Looks beautiful and delicious.